If you had to make a decision of what is a cheaper investment, what is a better deal, is it investing in Walmart at $78 a share, or is it investing in Amazon at $180 a share? Many times the analysis that many people make is, Walmart's shares are $78, which is cheaper than the $180 that Amazon is, so Walmart is a cheaper stock. It's a cheaper company. But that is a completely wrong and horrible and just not how you do that analysis. Because your share price, if you look at a stock, if you go out and buy one share of Walmart, you become one of the owners of the Walmart company. If you buy one share of Amazon, you become one of the owners of Amazon. That's the beauty of the stock market. But the problem is most people now are investing in stocks with no idea of what they're buying, or if it's expensive or inexpensive. And this is where you want to dig a little bit deeper, because the share price gives you no indication. It gives you no education of what's actually happening inside of the company, because the share price is really just the price of the company divided by how many shares are out there. And so think of it like a pizza. If you have 8 slices of a pizza, one slice is 1/8 of the pizza. But if you divide the pizza into 16 slices, now if you have one slice or one share, it's 1/16 of the pizza. So creating more shares just decreases the share price, but it doesn't actually mean you own more of the company. So let's dig a little bit deeper. At the time of me recording this video, the Walmart company, the corporation, is worth around $630 billion, and the Amazon corporation is worth around $1.8 trillion. This is all public information because these stocks are trading every second when the stock market is open. So if you go to any stock research website, you can see what the market capitalization is, meaning what the total worth of the company is. That means hypothetically, if you wanted to buy the entire Amazon company, you could do it hypothetically for $1.8 trillion. If you wanted to buy the entire Walmart company, you could do it hypothetically for $630 billion. That's how much all the shares are worth. But again, if you're just looking at how much this company is worth, it doesn't tell you that much. Is that expensive or is it not expensive? And so now, if you've ever seen Shark Tank before, you might have noticed that the sharks say, I am willing to buy your company for 5 times earnings, 5 times profits. That's kind of one analysis that you could think about doing when you're investing in stocks, because it gives you an idea of, is this company completely overvalued or undervalued? So let's take a look at how much money these companies made in 2023. I did a quick Google search, and what I saw is that in 2023, Walmart made $31.3 billion in EBITDA, and Amazon made $85.5 billion in EBITDA. By the way, EBITDA is just a fancy financial term for earnings, or profit, or net income. There's a lot of different ways to say it. It's just one fancy accounting term. And so now we can do a little bit of math, because if Amazon earned $85.5 billion in 2023, and they're trading at $1.8 trillion valuation, what we can do is take the market capitalization, or $1.8 trillion, divided by how much money they made in 2023, which is $85.5 billion. And now I know that Amazon is trading for around 22 times earnings. That's the earnings multiple based off of these numbers. At the same time, Walmart, if I take the $630 billion of worth, market capitalization, and I divide that by how much money they made in 2023, that tells me that Walmart is trading for around 20 times earnings. That means Walmart is actually a little bit cheaper than Amazon based off of the 2023 EBITDA, the 2023 earnings, and how much the market capitalization is today. Again, this doesn't mean that you want to go out and invest in Walmart or Amazon based off of this, but it starts your research, which shows you that your financial education has a lot to do with understanding how do you actually analyze your investments. These are the types of things you want to think about, which is a little bit deeper than just how much is this company trading for, which is why I want you to be investing in your own financial education as well. If you enjoyed this clip and you want to continue your financial education journey, I have another video that I think you'll love. All you got to do is click that button right over there. And for those of you who want to stay up to date on the top finance and business news, you can join Market Briefs, my free financial newsletter, by clicking that button below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.